Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove passwords from your Shopify store. Now this is going to be an easy tutorial. I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. So as you can see, whenever someone visits your customers or whatever tries to visit your Shopify store, they will have to enter the password in to access your Shopify store. Now I'm going to add the password here, as you can see, and now I can access in my Shopify store. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can remove it. Okay, how you can remove this password. Now you just need to log in into your Shopify dashboard. Okay, that's the first step. After you are on your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on online store and you want to click on preferences. Okay, and then you want to scroll down, and here we'll see this restrict access to visitors with password. You want to uncheck it and remove the passwords, and then you want to click on save. Now if you are not able to check it, okay, if you are not able to uncheck this box that says restrict access to visitors with password, that means you are using the free trial on Shopify. So what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings and click on plan, and you want to pick a plan here. Okay, so now I just selected the basic plan, as you can see here. Now if you are not paying for Shopify plan, you will not be able to remove that password. You will not be able to remove password from your Shopify store. Now if this video guys helped you, please drop a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.